potatoes, humble little jewels of the earth. Let me tell you how to make them sing. First, don't rush. Boil them gently, but not all the way. Leave the heart a little firm. Why? Because the pan will finish what the water began. That's how you get soft inside, golden outside. Now the skin. With skin, you keep the soul of the potato. Nutty, rustic and strong. Without it they are gentler, softer. They drink in the butter more quickly. Both are good, but the skin has character. After boiling, cut them in half. Always give them a flat side. That's where the crust forms, where the flavour hides. Heat olive oil and butter together. One brings fruit, the other brings richness. Together, they're like old friends holding hands. A sprig of rosemary, woody, proud, it loves the heat. Garlic whole, not cut, so it whispers, not shouts. Let them bathe in the fat, so the oil carries their memory. Lay the potatoes cut side down. Don't move them too soon. Patience gives the crust. When they are golden, flip them gently and smile. You've done well. Little sea salt, the flaky kind. It crunches, it brightens, it makes the whole dish sing.